everyone, welcome to Shane Shed. Something a bit different today. Heading out to DJs from Automotive Karnage. There's a few other YouTubers there, so Byron from Down the Shed with Byron. Phil and Dan from Aussie Garage, they'll be there. Dave from BQ Garage was going to be there, but he's got cooked, so he can't make it. And there'll be a few other people. Paul from Old School Only. So it's should be a bit of a finale of what's been going on at Automotive Karnage. So I'm just going to top up with fuel, but we're in the Suburban, and after I played with it the other day doing the exhaust manifold resealing up on the left hand side, I think I haven't put in one of the spark plugs properly. It's misfiring and carrying on, so I'm going to check that out when we top up for fuel, and hopefully it's nothing major. So anyway, let's hit the road, and we'll see you out there. I had a real shit of a time trying to get this bonnet undone, but it turns out this plug lead has come off, so we'll whack that back on properly and we should be good to go again. These plug leads are just shit, they seem to fall off and real susceptible to not being put on properly. So hopefully we've got it. Right, let's hit the road, try again. So, unfortunately, the following videos come. I didn't really film as much as what I probably was intending or thinking I was going to. You just get caught up at the moment. Things happen, it's the way it is. So, it doesn't matter, but anyway, sit back and enjoy the video. Yeah, what DJ said.
Sorry, have you got the camera on us?
Oh, maybe not. So this, everyone, is DJ.
G'day everyone.
DJ is the one that's invited us out here for this weekend, so it's been a pleasure to be out here. Had a ball.
No, thanks for coming out, and yeah, it's kind of just what we get up to. Get a few YouTubers, a few mates out here, and just go ham on the track and have some fun.
Yeah. It's definitely something I wasn't expecting by getting in this YouTube game. So
yeah, you meet some awesome people doing it.
You do. Yeah, so it's incredible. So
I didn't have car friends before I started doing YouTube. Now I've got heaps of them. I'm absolutely happy.
I've just had a ball and
excellent.
Just chilled out, and I haven't probably really filmed as much as what I should have. But
yeah, I don't think I've even picked up a camera at all this weekend. We're so flat out organising stuff, make sure everyone's all happy and sorted. And
so anyway, DJ's channel is
Automotive Karnage.
So go check that out. There's some just nuggety.
Just junk.
Like,
I just find junk in the bush because it's free.
Yep.
And we try to restore it, drag it in, give it something to camera, store it. We find some good stuff and we find some crap stuff.
Yeah. It's fun times. Well then, DJ, thanks very much.
Go easy, man.
And take it easy.
Awesome. Thank you.
How's that for a weapon? Scooter propelled wheelbarrow. So one of the reasons for coming down to DJ's is getting to see this nugget. So, old LC Tirana, found out in the bush. Paul from Old School Garage, Old School Only, is come and he's going to build this in 3 weeks, drive across from WA over to Sydney. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, just come around, help out where I can, not try to feel like a third wheel too much. Just threw another fuel pump in there. Had some issues last night with one not pumping up any fuel, not sucking up. They're pretty basic units, so yeah, they just rebuilt that one, threw it up, should be good to go. So this here is Paul. He can't show his face because he's a professional. So Paul's a mad bastard. He's going to drive this from one side of the country to the other, and yeah, his channel is
Old School Only.
Yeah, so go check it out if you want to see a full rundown of what's going on with this thing, because it's pretty incredible what it started out with and to where it is now.
Yeah, a lot of people thought I was crazy, but now they're starting to see, hey, this actually might make it. So I've got no doubt it's going to make it.
Everyone here has full blade confidence.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah, everyone's had a crack at it too, giving us a hand. Thanks,
yeah.
James, yourself for giving me a hand.
Well, it was a bit crazy there last night, and I was kind of just observing.
Yeah, got a bit crazy.
Yeah, but it is what it is, and but best of luck for your drive over.
Thanks, mate. I'm looking forward to it, actually.
Yeah. And yeah, we'll see how it pans out, and hopefully we can spread the word, and this can be the Aussie roadkill.
That's it. Good stuff.
All right, take it easy, dude.
Cheers, mate.
Fist bump. All right.
Fuel coming out here.
Yeah.
So do you want to adjust that down then?
Yeah, fuel pump runs a million miles an hour though. The square of this, you might cover.
Yeah, we just need to tighten this up and put the plug back in though.
Oh, okay.
Take that out.
Yeah.
Fuel in that thing. We'll leave that out because you can run with it.
Hey guys, we haven't got electrical wire hooked up yet.
But it was running.
I've got fuel coming out now.
Yeah?
Yep.
You happy with that? You had it, yeah, it's working. The switch has been working.
Oh.
Needs a bit of high fuel, all the fuel's coming.
Okay, I need to top the bottle up. So one of the many YouTubers I've got here is Phil from Aussie Garage. So how's your weekend been, Phil?
Yeah, it's been good. Had a bit of fun working on Serrana and yeah, going around the track and having fun. Oh yeah, mate, they've just been running around everywhere and having a ball. So yeah, no, it's good, and it's good to see Paul's made heaps of progress on that Serrana, man. That thing's unreal.
That is.
Yeah, definitely.
Looking forward to the end product where he gets it moving and goes over there. So
yeah, we look forward to seeing it on the road and see what happens.
Yeah.
You know, and then it's like watching the journey back over the eastern states and see what happens.
I know. So hopefully it's uneventful for him.
Yeah, that's it. That's perfect. If we don't get a phone call, that's even good.
That's right.
Yeah, we'll go, mate. We'll catch up with you next time.
Yeah, good to see you again.
I'm going to take a long track home and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, cool.
Awesome.
Take it easy.
Yeah, we'll do.
spontaneous. You're on camera now, Byron.
Well, this piston won't come out then.
No. So, if you're a regular viewer or a long-time viewer of my channel, you'd probably notice Byron has made an appearance there once before. So, Down the Shed with Byron, his YouTube channel, go check it out.
Had fun this weekend, mate?
Absolutely.
Something different for you?
It is, yeah.
I just wish I could have spent the week here helping with this Tirana. But yeah, I've helped where I can.
Yep, yeah, that's good. Yeah, I've kind of felt like I'm sort of didn't really know what to be doing or where to be going. So, and it gets a bit overwhelming. So
a little bit lost initially.
Yeah.
But yeah, I've had a fat time. It's just too many beers and late nights, and my head doesn't feel right at the moment. But nothing another bottle of confidence won't help with.
No, that's right. Anyway, it's always a pleasure to catch up with you, Byron. And,
yeah,
take it easy, dude.
And yeah, thumbs up, dirty thumbs up to your followers out there.
Byron's motto, so yeah.
Okay, take it easy. See you when I'm looking at you.
Take it easy, bud.
Gotcha.
Well, folks, that's a bit of a wrap. I hope you've enjoyed this little taste of this weekend at DJ's. I highly recommend if you're interested more in seeing that LC Tirana and what's been done with it, jump over to my old school only Automotive Karnage and Down the Shed with Byron's YouTube channels. You can see heaps more of what's going on with that. I certainly look forward to seeing how Paul goes, getting that thing back across the Nullarbor. That'll be an epic adventure. So, anyway, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, people. Well, it's a good thing I didn't bother washing this before we left because she's filthy now. Gonna need a good bath after all that. But anyway, doesn't matter. We had a bit of a detour on the way home and down a bit of a dirt track, and yeah, it's good fun. Anyway, see you later.